Hi, my name is Creswell, and I'm the Manufacturing Product Manager at Passport Software. Just like many of you are working from home today, so am I. I'm coming to you from my kitchen right now. This past week, our president, John Miller, he decided to do his first ever YouTube video. He was pretty worked up over this COVID-19 pandemic that's going on right now, and he decided to make a video he called Call to Arms. In this video, he's pledged our assistance to help small manufacturers who either make or are transitioning to making things like personal protection equipment, such as surgical masks, gowns, hand sanitizer, things along that line. The whole idea here is he wants to help be a part of the solution rather than just panicking and being a part of the problem. I heard stories just in the last 24 to 48 hours about breweries who are transitioning from making beer to actually making hand sanitizer so that they can get this stuff out there because of the shortages. We were since tasked with coming up with a plan. How can we help? What can we do to be a part of the solution? Well, here's what we've come up with. We're going to provide a free copy of our PBS Manufacturing Basic ERP. That is an ERP solution designed for smaller manufacturers. And this is just the basics of it because we want you to be able to get up and running very quickly. We're going to provide that at no charge. No charge for a year. Essentially, we want to put the software in your hands to help you ramp up quickly and get you into a position where you're able to put product out fast and efficiently. We'll provide you with discounted support, training, and so forth. There will be some fees for those, but literally we are discounting those dramatically to make this affordable. We want to help y'all ramp up fast. We want to help you reach max production. We want to help you automate your operation as much as we can in a really short period of time so that we can simplify things and keep things flowing through. Now, how do we do this? Well, with the ERP system, once we get you up and chugging, you're going to be able to accurately track and manage orders throughout your system, and that includes shop orders, out on the production floor, sales orders, invoicing, purchase orders, and the like. We'll provide you with planning tools. They're basic planning tools to allow you to better manage your supply chain, manage your inventory, ensure you've got what you need, assuming it's available, of course, but ensure we've got what we need when we need it. We're also going to aid you in doing more with the staff that you already have. You don't need to have bodies to do this. We'll help you get up with the basics and get you rolling so that you can start to leverage this. At the end of the day, what we're really trying to do is to help you run more efficiently so that you can get product where it needs to be now rather than months from now. So back to the training. How's that going to work? You don't want to see me on your site any more than I want to be on your site right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to provide live training online. We're going to use tools like WebEx and so forth so that we can actually do the training without ever having to meet each other. Now, we've been doing this for quite a long time, so this is not new. In addition, we have long offered online video training, and it's, got some limited training videos on the manufacturing suite as well as on our financials that could help you kind of learn some of the basic stuff. Well, over the last week, we've been working really hard to enhance that library dramatically and to get as much video content up there as we can to allow you to be able to leverage that content to get up to speed quickly. A, it'll save you a little bit of money getting there. B, it's going to let you do it on your time. You don't have to worry about whether or not somebody's available to jump right in with you. You can start to get some of the basics on your own. That's going to be available to you free of charge. The day we do the installation, that content will be available to you. You'll be able to sign up for our training site, and we'll get you up and moving along. So after 1 year, so again, we're going to let you have that software for a year. How does it work? Well, if you want to continue using it, what we're going to do is we're going to make available our on-premise software as a service program. In other words, the software is going to remain installed. You're going to get a refreshed license, and for a small monthly fee, you'll get that license refresh each and every month. So you can do an auto debit so you don't even have to think about it. And that'll enable you to continue to use the software without the heavy upfront investment that normally comes with purchasing an ERP solution like this. Now that small monthly fee is also going to include your updates for you, and there will even be very affordable support options available so you can get continued support on the application moving forward. If you don't need the software at that point, you've been able to transition back out, everything's back to normal, and you just don't need it any longer, there's no expense to you. The only expense will be the time that you put in and the little bit of investment you put into consulting and training services up front. That's it. We're just trying to do our part to help you help others. So if you're interested in learning more about this program, you can go to our website. It's going to be available here on the screen. It's www.pass-port.com/manufacturing-solution. Myself and the rest of the Passport staff is really looking forward to helping you help others defeat this pandemic. We want to get this stuff up, chugging. We're just looking to get this stuff out in the field and get this going today. So we look forward to working with you and your staff to doing that. Thank you so much for your time today.